You wake up, look at yourself in the mirror, and wonder, can I really change my body in just 10 days? Well, the truth is, yes, you can see a transformation, but only if you're ready to put in the effort. A 10-day body transformation challenge might not give you a shredded six-pack, but it will give you results. You'll feel stronger, more energized, and more confident. And if you follow the right workout, diet, and recovery plan, you'll be amazed at what's possible in just 10 days. So today, we're diving deep into how this challenge works, what exercises you need, how to perform them properly, and what realistic results you can expect. If you stick with me till the end, you'll not only have a step-by-step guide, but also the motivation to crush this challenge. Let's get started. Day 1. Setting the foundation. The first thing you need to know, this isn't just about hitting the gym and sweating for hours. It's about training smart. To start, we'll focus on full-body compound exercises. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, helping you burn more fat and build lean muscle quickly. Workout plan. Day 1. Full body strength and conditioning. Warm up, 5 minutes, jumping jacks, high knees, and arm circles. Get your heart rate up and muscles loose. Workout, 3 rounds. Bodyweight squats, 12 reps. How to perform. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, chest up. Lower yourself by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, as if sitting on a chair. Keep your back straight. Once your thighs are parallel to the ground, push through your heels to stand back up. Push-ups, 10 reps. How to perform. Get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up. Modify by dropping your knees if needed. Lunges, 12 reps per leg. How to perform. Step 1 foot forward and lower your body until your back knee is just above the floor. Keep your front knee directly above your ankle. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Plank, 30 seconds. How to perform. Get into a forearm plank position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Squeeze your core and glutes. Avoid raising your hips too high or letting them sag. After your workout, stretch your quads, hamstrings, and shoulders to prevent soreness. Nutrition. Clean eating for real results. Your workout is only half the battle. What you eat plays a crucial role in your success. For these 10 days, focus on high-protein, low-carb meals with healthy fats. Sample meal plan. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Snack. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast, quinoa, and steamed broccoli. Dinner. Salmon with sweet potatoes and green beans. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive carbs. Hydration is key, so drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Day 3. The burn begins. By day 3, your muscles will start to feel sore, but this is a good sign. It means your body is adapting. At this stage, we'll add HIIT, high-intensity interval training, to burn fat faster while maintaining muscle. HIIT workout, 15 minutes. 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Get into a plank position. Bring your knees toward your chest, alternating legs as quickly as possible. 30 seconds rest. 30 seconds of jump squats. Perform a squat, but as you come up, explode into a jump. Land softly and go right back into a squat. Repeat for 4 rounds. How it works. This type of workout keeps your metabolism high for hours, burning fat long after you've finished. How to avoid common mistakes during workouts. Form is everything. Focus on technique rather than speed. Bad form can lead to injuries. Don't skip warm-ups or cool-downs. They help prevent soreness and improve performance. Listen to your body. If you're too sore, take an active recovery day with light stretching or a 20-minute walk. Day 5. The turning point. By now, you'll start noticing small but exciting changes. Your core feels tighter, your muscles are more defined, and your energy levels are at an all-time high. We'll now focus on core strength to sculpt your abs and improve overall stability. Core workout, 3 rounds. Leg raises, 12 reps. Lie on your back, hands under your hips. Keep your legs straight and lift them until they're perpendicular to the floor. Lower them slowly without touching the ground. Bicycle crunches, 15 reps per side. Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg. Switch sides in a pedaling motion. Russian twists, 20 reps, 10 per side. Sit on the floor, knees bent, and feet lifted slightly. Twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor with your hands. Recovery and sleep. Recovery is just as important as training. Your muscles repair and grow while you rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Poor sleep can slow down your progress and affect your energy levels. Add a foam rolling session on day 6 to release muscle tension and improve flexibility. Day 8, power and endurance. Time to level up. We'll combine strength and cardio for maximum fat burn and muscle growth. Power workout. Full body, 3 rounds. Deadlifts with dumbbells or barbell, 10 reps. Kettlebell swings, 15 reps. Burpees, 10 reps. Pull-ups, assisted if needed, 8 reps. Day 10, the finish line. You made it to day 10. Look back at how far you've come. Your clothes fit better, your confidence is higher, and you've built mental toughness. This isn't the end. It's the beginning of a healthier, stronger version of you. What's next? Now that you've seen what 10 days can do, imagine what 30 days, 60 days, or even 90 days could bring. The key is consistency. Stick with the habits you've built during this challenge, and you'll continue to see amazing progress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what's your next fitness goal? And remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.